Kayla. Why are you sitting here alone?
I don't want to talk to anyone.
Did something happen to you?
No, please go from here.
Are you angry with me?
No, I'm just upset.
Why? What happened?
Nothing special. I feel unhappy.
Please tell me your problem.
No, just leave me alone.
Okay, then I'm going now.
Wait, where are you going?
I'm going home.
Please sit here for a moment.
First, tell me what is wrong.
Oh no, forget it.
Are you okay?
Yes, but I feel sad.
Why are you feeling sad?
In my office, everyone speaks English.
Then what happened?
My English is very poor.
What do you mean?
I mean, I can't speak fluently.
Who told you that?
Nobody. I feel it myself. I make many mistakes.
Oh, that is your problem.
Yes, my English speaking problem.
I think you are doing fine.
Really?
Yes. You just need practice.
How can I practice English?
You can speak with friends daily.
But I feel shy.
Don't be shy. Everyone learns slowly.
What if people laugh at me?
They won't laugh. They will help you.
Still, I feel nervous.
It is normal in the beginning.
I want to improve fast.
Then practice small sentences every day.
Like what sentences?
Like, how are you? And what are you doing?
That sounds easy.
Yes, start from easy words.
Can I learn English at home?
Of course you can. You can watch English videos and listen to simple conversations. You should speak in front of a mirror.
Should I speak in front of a mirror?
Yes, that helps a lot.
I want to speak confidently.
You will. Just keep trying.
Thank you for supporting me.
You are my friend. I will always support you.
I feel better now.
Good. Don't lose hope.
From tomorrow, I will practice daily.
That's great, Kayla. I'm proud of you.
Hi, my name is Kayla. Hello, how are you today? I am going to speak English. Kayla, you can do this. Speak slowly and clearly. I am not perfect, but I am improving every day. Today, I want to speak English with confidence. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I practice English in the mirror every day. I trust myself. I learn little by little. My English is getting stronger. I speak English with my friends. It is okay to speak slowly. It is okay to make mistakes. This is my second language. No one expects me to be native. I improve day by day. I must not give up. I listen to a podcast for 15 minutes every day. I speak to myself in the mirror for 15 minutes every day. I take small steps. I know small steps bring the best results. I believe in myself. My English is getting better. I can understand more English than before. I am proud of myself for practicing today. Kayla, keep going. Do not give up. One day you will speak English fluently. Good morning, Kayla.
Good morning, Melanie.
How are you feeling today?
I feel better today, thank you.
That's good to hear.
Yes, I practiced English last night.
Really? That's great.
Yes, I want to improve step by step.
Don't worry, you will improve.
Thank you for saying that.
So, are you ready for today's work?
Yes, but I have many tasks.
What work do you have today?
I need to finish a report.
Oh, I also have a report to do.
Reports take a lot of time.
Yes, they do.
What is your plan for today?
First, I will check my emails.
That's a good start.
Then I will attend the morning meeting.
I will join the meeting too.
Are you nervous about speaking in the meeting?
A little, yes.
It's okay, you can speak slowly.
I will try my best.
Do you want help with English at work?
Yes, that would be helpful.
We can practice small office sentences.
That sounds perfect.
What project are you working on today?
I am working on the customer file.
Oh, that's important work.
Yes, I must be careful.
After lunch, we have a team discussion.
I forgot about that.
Don't worry, I will remind you.
Thank you, Melly.
Do you have any plans after office hours?
Yes, I will practice English again.
That's a great habit.
I want to speak confidently like others.
You will, Kayla. Just keep practicing daily.
Thank you for your support.
Hi, Keela. Are you ready to practice English today?
Yes, Jack, I am ready. Thank you for coming.
No problem. Friends always help each other.
I really want to speak better.
You will improve soon. Let's start with easy sentences.
Okay, I'm listening.
First, tell me about your day.
My day was busy at the office.
What did you do at work?
I finished my report and checked emails.
Great. Now say, I worked very hard today.
I worked very hard today.
Perfect. Now say, I want to learn English daily.
I want to learn English daily.
Very good. Do you feel nervous when you speak?
Yes, I feel nervous sometimes.
That is normal. Everyone feels nervous in the beginning.
I hope I become confident soon.
You will. Let's practice office phrases.
Yes, please teach me.
Say, can you help me with this work?
Can you help me with this work?
Nice. Now say, I will complete it soon.
I will complete it soon.
Good job. Now say, please repeat that again.
Please repeat that again.
Excellent. Do you understand this sentence?
Yes, I understand it clearly.
Great. Let's do small conversation practice.
Okay, I am ready.
What are you doing now?
I am practicing English with you.
That's good. What do you want to improve?
I want to improve my speaking skills.
Wonderful. Say, I make mistakes, but I will learn.
I make mistakes, but I will learn.
Very nice. Mistakes are part of learning.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Now tell me, what is your goal?
My goal is to speak English fluently.
That is a great goal. Practice every day.
I will practice every day from now.
Let's practice mirror speaking too.
Yes, I will speak in front of the mirror.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I speak a little better every day.
I speak a little better every day.
It's okay to speak slowly.
It's okay to speak slowly.
It's okay if my accent is not perfect.
It's okay if my accent is not perfect.
Practice makes me confident.
Practice makes me confident.
I don't need to be perfect. I need to be brave.
I don't need to be perfect. I need to be brave.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Now let's practice daily activities together.
Okay, Jack. I will talk about my daily routine.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I get out of bed and make my bed.
I get out of bed and make my bed.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I have a simple breakfast.
I have a simple breakfast.
I drink coffee and check my phone.
I drink coffee and check my phone.
I get dressed and leave home at 8 a.m.
I get dressed and leave home at 8 a.m.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I start work at 9 a.m.
At work, I check my emails.
At work, I check my emails.
I talk to my coworkers.
I talk to my coworkers.
I do my tasks on the computer.
I do my tasks on the computer.
At noon, I have lunch.
At noon, I have lunch.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I go back home and rest.
I go back home and rest.
I have dinner in the evening.
I have dinner in the evening.
I watch TV or listen to music.
I watch TV or listen to music.
At night, I go to bed and sleep.
At night, I go to bed and sleep.
Good. You're improving already.
Thank you, Jack. I feel more confident.
I am proud of you, Kayla. Keep going.
Thanks a lot. I will never give up.
But goddamn, you got me in love again.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kayla. I work in an office. I help my team every day. I answer emails. I organize files. I make simple reports. I come to work on time. I try to do my job well. I am friendly and helpful. I am still learning. My English is getting better. I am not afraid to speak. Thank you for listening. Yes, yes. I can do this. I am ready. I will speak slowly and clearly.
Good morning, Kayla.
Good morning, Miss Austen.
Please come in and sit down.
Thank you, Miss Austen.
How is your work going today?
It is going well, Miss Austen.
Did you complete the customer report?
Yes, I completed it this morning.
That's good. Can you send it to me?
Yes, I will send it right away.
Are you facing any problems in your tasks?
A little, Miss Austen. I need some guidance.
Okay, tell me what the problem is.
I am not sure about the presentation file.
Don't worry, I will explain it to you.
Thank you, Miss Austen.
You are improving day by day.
Yes, I am trying my best.
Do you feel confident speaking in meetings now?
I feel better, but still a little nervous. It's normal. Practice will help you. Yes, Miss Austen, I practice daily at home. That's a good habit. Thank you for supporting me. Kayla, we have a team meeting at 2 p.m. Okay, Miss Austen, I will be ready. Please prepare your points before the meeting. Yes, I will prepare them. Also, check the email from the client. Sure, Miss Austen, I will check it.
If you need help, ask Robert too. Yes, Robert is very helpful. Good teamwork is important in the office.
Yes, Miss Austen, I agree.
Are you comfortable with today's meeting?
Yes, Miss Austen, I can manage it.
Great. Keep your focus on quality work.
I will do my best.
Kayla, do you have any question?
Yes, Miss Austen. When is the project deadline?
The deadline is Friday evening.
Okay, I will finish my part before Friday.
Very good. I trust you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You are a valuable employee.
I am happy to hear that.
Keep learning and growing.
Yes, Miss Austen, I will improve more.
All right, you can go back to your desk now.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Kayla, you spoke English very easily today. You were calm and clear.
Really?
Yes, I can see you are improving a lot.
I am happy to hear that. Thank you, Marco.
Can you tell me something? How can I stop feeling shy? How can I be brave and speak like you?
Actually, I was shy before too. Every day I practice speaking in front of the mirror.
In front of the mirror?
Yes, I talk to myself in English. I speak slowly. I don't worry about mistakes.
Is that enough?
Not at all. I listen to simple podcasts. I repeat sentences. I try to speak a little every day.
Speaking is very hard for me. In my mind, I know English. I understand many words. But when I want to speak, I stop.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Small practice every day makes a big change.
That sounds simple. I will try today.
Yes, just start. You can do it.
Thank you, Kayla. Can we practice together?
Of course. That's a very good idea. It's good for you and for me too.
Dear friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.